Is German a really difficult language to learn? Is this the question going into your mind? So here I am to give all the details about German and German language. Hi everyone, I am Ismail from Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited, and I am here to give you all the details about German language and examination. In today's world, Germany is giving you all the benefits and all the amazing opportunities to the students who are looking forward to study in Germany for their graduation, post-graduation, masters or any skill course. But before going to Germany, the most important part is to do German language. So let's talk about some details about learning German language. In German language, we have total 6 levels. Starting from A1 goes till C2. A1 is the beginner's level and C2 is near native proficiency. Now let's talk about German examination pattern and platform. German examinations are just like IELTS examination, if you have heard about IELTS. So in German language, we have 4 different modules just like IELTS. So in IELTS, we normally have reading, writing, listening and speaking. So in German, we have exactly same 4 modules like reading, which is lesen, writing, which is schreiben, listening, which is hören, and speaking, which is sprechen. And in India, we have Goethe Institute, which perform your German language examination. So if you want to give your examination, you can register yourself in Goethe Institute and you can appear for the examination on the given date. But the students, those who are living outside India, they have many other platforms like TELC, OST, DATEZ. They are the different platform to appear for German language examination. Yeah, and right after the examination, you will get your certificate. That was all from my side in this video. But one very last thing and very important thing that I would like to say now is, if you are coming to learn with us, you are not only going to learn German language, but you are also going to learn the German culture and their lifestyle. So that was all from my side. Thank you all. Thank you so much.